Now Ayyub alayhi salam's situation is deteriorating and deteriorating, and it's deteriorated so much he's got nusb. Nusb means he can't even stand up anymore. He's that exhausted. Wa'adhab, and he's constantly in pain. He's constantly feeling the torture. And in that time, who keeps coming to him and suggesting things? Shaitan does. Try this potion. Try this, this cultish exercise. Try this ritual. Maybe it'll help you. And one way or the other, one way or the other. And then we learn actually that a little bit later on, but I'll break the mystery for you. Shaitan wasn't actually coming to him, he was coming to his wife. And he told his wife, don't you love your husband? You should want him to be better. If you can somehow convince him to do what I'm asking you to do, asking to convince him, if he can even once say, I can cure him. Shaitan comes and says, I can cure him right now. If he just says, Shaitan cured me. He just has to say that. That's all I want him to say. And his problems will disappear. So he comes to the wife. And the wife's been taking care of him for a long time, and she's desperate, so she comes to him and says, I had a thought. This wish came in my, this khatir came in my mind. This thought came in my mind. What do you think? You want to try it? I mean, nothing else has worked. And he sees it for what it is right away. And he got so angry at his wife, he said, I'm going to whip you 100 times. Now he didn't mean it. He didn't really, it was just a spur of the moment. He said it. We'll see about that. But then when he made this dua to Allah, he found the most respectful way of saying it. He didn't even say, Ya Allah, sickness is hurting me. He's not saying that. He's saying shaitan is hurting me because I'm exhausted and punished. He didn't even say get rid of my exhaustion and punishment. Don't get rid of my sickness. Just get rid of shaitan. That's the part I can't handle. So the amazing patience of Ayyub alayhi salam, he didn't ask for healing. He just asked for shaitan to go away. It's awesome. That's what makes him special. Now, Allah tells him, Urkud bi rijlik, strike with your feet. Get up on your feet and strike. Now, nusl means he can't even stand. But Allah tells him to stand and stomp with his feet on the ground. هَذَا مُغْتَسَلٌ مُغْتَسَلٌ. As the moment you strike with your feet, water's going to gush out. Water's going to come out. And this water is mughtasal. It should be taken a shower with. Allah is telling him, giving him a special form of water when he showers with it, and it's cool, because he's burning with heat and fever. It's going to cool him off, and it's going to get rid of his skin disease. It's going to get rid of his problem. But perhaps the skin disease is manifesting on the skin, but the real virus or bacteria or whatever it is not on his skin, it's inside him. It's inside. So he needs not only a healing on the outside, he needs a healing on the inside. So Allah adds, wa sharab, and drink it too. Because if you drink it, then the inside will be cleansed. So the outside is cleansed, and the inside is cleansed, and the burning torture of the fever is removed by the word barid. وَوَهَبْنَا لَهُ وَأَهْلَهُ. So he's healed. And we granted him and his family, we gave him back, وَوَهَبْنَا لَهُ أَهْلَهُ. We gave him his family back. His family came back to him. وَمِثْلَهُمْ. And another like them. So he had more children. مَعَهُمْ. Along with them. Or he married another. رَحْمَةً مِنَّا. This was all as a mercy from us. وَذِكْرَى لِأُولِي الْأَلْبَابِ. And a powerful reminder for those who truly use their intelligence. And those who truly have sound minds.